Welcome back to WhatKarenLoves. And I know it's been a minute. I know it's been chaos the last few weeks. I apologize, but hopefully we're back in a normal scheduled program now. But today I thought we have a little fun today. You may see some things we've already done and are used. I don't know. But anyways, today we're going to be doing May favorites of 2019, almost to 2020. It's not 2020 yet. But anyways, let's get into it because, none of you kidding, this camera has given me issues since Too Creative Exclusives videos. So I don't know what's going on with it. Anyways, so here we go. So I don't know if you can include products that you come back to and use as maybe, I don't know. Anyways, so we're gonna include this little baby because I like it, and I think I got it in May. I don't know. I can keep up with things. I forget. Anyways, so sorry. And plus I like it, and I'm wearing it today, and I like the colors. It kind of reminds me of summer. I was gonna do a tutorial this week, but my skin's kind of having a little breakout again, so I don't want to give it too much issues this week, so I'm hoping next week maybe we can revisit some makeup. So it has a little bit of makeup today, but not crazy over foundation crazy stuff, you know what I mean? So this has been a must recommendation if you have chapped lips. Summer recommendation, definitely recommendation. Sick recommendation, almost dropped it. This was definitely one of my must use this week when I was sick. So if you are sick, I would recommend it because it definitely has given me some use. This has been a book that I've been reading. My thing fell out, but I remember what page I was in. But anyways, I really like it. If you like horror or stuff like that, you know. This is my new swimsuit, and I thought it was cute, and my soap is kind of wanting to spill. Anyways, so let me get it untangled and I'll show you it. I saw this other cute one. You probably saw it on WhatKarenLoves Twitter, and I actually really do love it too, but it's $30, and you know, $30 for a swimsuit, I can't consider it. So, but this was only like, I think $20, I think. And if you live with a military man, you probably know what these are. Anyways, they get stuck in everything. Anyways, I thought this was cute. It has a cute face, and I just thought that was really cute. I like it. Anyways, I'm trying to move as fast as I can because this battery literally just got off charge. I'm trying to get this as quick as I can. It's literally almost 4 o'clock. I literally just got done with this and got to it, and yeah, not bad. This is I don't even know if I got this in May. I don't know now. We're just gonna go with it. I recommend this because I really love it because honestly it softens and moisturizes, and it has pure essence oils. I gotta get a new one. This one's almost out. I just realized that. Maybe what's happening today. This is a one that I come back to, I guess is the word I'm wanting to use. A podcast. Let me find it real quick so I can give you the right news. Speaking of podcasts, Old Mama will have a new podcast this Sunday, so go get it. It is on, of course, Apple Podcasts and Podbean. I will give you the link down below, so go get it. Alright, my favorite podcast of May is, of course, if I can scroll down, the Bella's podcast. Cannot speak today. Love it. Appreciate it. If you love wrestling like I do, even if you don't love wrestling, it's not even all about that. It's about life. It's It's about their life. It's really amazing. I really love it. I also love the regular girls. Still love them. Go back to them every so often. I love the Secret Life of Weddings. Those are my favorite as well. Those are like my favorite top like wrestling. Podcasts that I love right now. Anyways, that's what I was doing. This is my favorite sub right now. Just recently got the the professional hair goddess hair soap. So hoping that helps my hair too. But this has always been my favorite hair brand. So you know. And this has been my recent godsend. It's been helping my skin. So I recommend it if you haven't already tried it. Go get it. Definitely recommend it if you have oily skin, sensitive skin, dry skin, whatever it may be. Definitely go get it. It's helped me so much. Definitely try to clean your skin as much as possible if you can. Moisturizer. This has been a recent purchase of mine. I had a moisturizer and it was doing a terrible job. It was moisturizing my skin, don't get me wrong. It was breaking my skin out though. That was the problem. And it was making my skin oilier than it already was. And this one right here has been a lifesaver for me, and I recommend it for you. I would put links for everything, but I would probably forget. So if I remember, I'll put links. Alright, I don't know if I talked about. I know I have talked about Hello, but this is a recent new product of theirs. I used to use their black one, but this one is the new Hello Mint Natural White that I've been using, and I love it. So recommend it if you haven't already tried it. Now this is from the Fun Spring Box, I believe, and this one has been a godsend for the last several months now. I'll go back to it, use it daily. So yeah, it's me for sure. So yeah, I think that's it. Pretty sure. But anyways, I think that's it for me, 2019 products. I don't really have much to really show you because I don't really go shopping that very much, just because things are expensive. And I have a lot of products I like to get, but then I look at the price and I'm like today I saw that turtle. I don't know the name, but I saw it. And the product and packaging is so cute and I want it, but then I look at the brightest and I'm like, oh my god. But anyways, thank you so much for watching this. Hope you guys enjoyed this. And go check out the blog. I think it should be out by the time this video is out, hopefully. And go check out the podcast. It'll be out Sunday. And hope you guys enjoyed this video. Go subscribe if you haven't already. And I love you guys so much. Thank you so much for being so patient. Also, go check out the IGTV video on our Instagram. I just finally posted a new one. I know I haven't posted one since, I don't even know, February, January, somewhere around there. It's been a while. Probably December, honestly. I don't even know. It's been a while. I've been so busy. It's been a hard time to keep up with it. But I finally posted one. It's fashion related. I had fun doing it. I loved that one. It was so fun. Summer related, from Forever 21, and I love that outfit. Really had fun with that. I did a whole outfit. Had a purse, shoes, shirt, shorts. It was so much fun. But anyways, go check it out. I'll leave a link down below if you want to go check it out. And also check out my main channel. Check out the latest video in this area. And I'll see you guys soon. And I hope you guys enjoy this video. And hopefully I'll leave links for these products. And I know there wasn't that many. I was going to do an awesome video, but I couldn't find anything. Literally anything that I wanted to do. I had to wait for shipping, and I forgot. I had no money until Thursday. And anything that I wanted to do would not get here until next week. So next Friday's video is going to be cool. I have an idea I want to do for that. So stay tuned for that. And until then, hope you guys have a great day. XOXO, that's all. Bye-bye.